took up until the very ever first Ferris wheel, and that to me also remember reading the actual uh, stats on it, as in, so the Texas Ferris wheel at the Texas State Fair is pretty damn big. It's like 216 feet tall. The first one was 246 feet tall and had upwards of 36 cars and could hold at one time 2,000 people.
So, I asked them the question of, um, you know, have you ever been to the Texas State Fair? Obviously, it's here in Dallas.
Mm-hmm.
And how many people can fit in one of those cars? And I think it's probably 8 people.
Mm-hmm.
And we talked about, a Pullman car. Does anybody know what a Pullman car is? And people's like, I don't know what that is. And I said, it's a fucking railroad car. I mean, that is a Pullman car. And so what Ferris designed was that each car that went up on the Ferris wheel was a literal train car, um, that could hold up to 100 people in it at any one time. And that's pretty phenomenal. I mean, just the engineering feat alone at the turn of the 19th century is pretty phenomenal.
Exactly, because and
And he had a challenge. So he challenged the Society of Engineers, saying, come on, guys. I mean, we're Americans. We can do this. We can build something, more impressive than the Eiffel Tower. And all of the um, offerings, there were some really ludicrous offerings to try to compete with the Eiffel Tower. Some of them 2 and 3 times the height and size of the Eiffel Tower. And Burnham astutely said, "She's not going to get built." And then
no,
all of a sudden, Ferris came through with, his wheel, and it truly was an ingenious artifact. Certainly for that time, and really for all. I mean, can you imagine building that today? I mean, if you built it today, it would still be an engineering feat, and that was 150 years ago. I mean, my gosh,
exactly.
that's amazing.